Finally finished the shower room in the underbuild. All the parts came after waiting several weeks with the COVID. There's a utility area shower. You can see now where, when you put the trims around the frames, how nicer they look than just a bare frame. And then you have the same here, which you put the trims around. Door's not on yet because we have to tile all in here. Yeah, very happy indeed. Double doors, again, nice neat plumbing. I do like to see a bit of neat plumbing. Yeah. Good. Super good. You've got your rain head coming from the ceiling. Concealed controllers. What more could you want out of a shower room? Even got around to spraying that the valve for the macerator white because they always come in grey. Yeah, job done. Very nice indeed.